Welcome to Healthcare Essentials. Be healthy and be a wealth of your family. Let's experience a new healthcare topic.
Did you know that the food choices we make can have a direct impact on inflammation in our bodies? When our bodies are in a constant state of inflammation, it can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of developing diseases like diabetes and heart disease. But by making simple changes to our diet, we can help reduce inflammation and improve our overall health. Foods like berries, fatty fish, leafy greens, and nuts are all packed with anti-inflammatory properties that can help fight off inflammation in the body. On the other hand, processed foods, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can actually increase inflammation in the body, leading to weight gain and a higher risk of developing chronic diseases. So next time you're choosing what to eat, think about how it will impact your inflammation levels. By making healthy, whole food choices, you can help battle weight gain and reduce the risk of developing chronic diseases. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on improving your health through food choices.